Off the runway.
They're off the runway.
Spruce Creek traffic, white helicopter departing 6, Spruce Creek. Spruce Creek traffic, white helicopter departing the pattern to the east, Spruce Creek. New Smyrna Beach Tower, helicopter 269 Alpha Romeo.
Helicopter 269 Alpha Romeo, New Smyrna Tower.
Tower 9 Alpha Romeo, shoreline north of you, and request transit shoreline south, circuit around the light, back north, Spruce Creek.
269 Alpha Romeo, transit approved, altimeter 3021, just report your course reversal.
2-1, 9 Alpha Romeo.
Clear, touch and go. 322 X-Pop. And tower up at 555, holding short, runway 7 on Bravo, ready for departure, requesting short delay. Say call sign. Call tower, say again. Up. We're at 555, we're holding short of 7, we can take it immediate. We're at 555, roger, runway 7, right turn, south approved, clear takeoff, no delay. Drop, no delay, 555.
Lighthouse.
Number 15 Alpha, right turn approved, frequency change approved. Change approved, 15 Alpha.
There's the Ponce light.
Tower of the grid, 510, holding short, runway 7 at Bravo, ready for takeoff, requesting short delay.
Have a grid 510 in Smyrna, hold short, landing traffic.
Holding short, landing traffic, of the grid, 510.
Epic 555, right turn approved, frequency change approved. Right turn approved, frequency change approved, Epic 555. See you guys. 12 Papa, traffic circle in the lighthouse at 400. You can turn an early crosswind. Early crosswind for 2 X-Pop. Epic Red 510, runway 7, left traffic, clear for takeoff. Turn early crosswind, traffic circle in the lighthouse at 400.
Runway 7, clear for takeoff, short delay approved, and short crosswind of the grid, 510.
Epic 510, yes, and the delay is approved. Sorry about that.
Delay approved. They're good, 510. Thank you.
New Smyrna Beach Tower, helicopter 269 Alpha Romeo, departing your airspace to the north. Thanks for the help.
Romeo, frequency change approved. Daytona approach 12535 for advisory, should you need them.
9 Alpha Romeo, thanks for your help.
Epic Air 510 can disregard the early crosswind. The helicopter is northbound, no factor.
Disregard, Epic Air 510, thanks.
That's 2 Echo Pop, runway 7, clear touch and go.
7 clear, touch go, 2 Echo Pop.
Spruce Creek Airport, automated advisory, wind 120 at 8, visibility better than 10 miles, temperature 2.12, altimeter 3022.
120 at 8. We'll go 1 and 6. Boost pump on. Burn boost pump on. Spruce Creek traffic, white helicopter turning left base for 6, full stop at Spruce Creek. Spruce Creek traffic, white helicopter, final 6, full stop, Spruce Creek. Spruce Creek traffic, white helicopter, clear the active, Spruce Creek.